Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to download JJsploit. Just do this on Edge. On Chrome it's much harder. It's harder because on Chrome it's gonna keep saying it's malware and it won't really let you download it, especially for Windows 10. That's why I'm saying that. We're gonna click on download over here. You're gonna click on download JJsploit. It's gonna show notification to allow notifications. You're gonna click block over there, or else it's gonna spam with ads. So guys, when you download the JJsploit, you're gonna click on next or press enter. You're gonna click on next again, install. Soon it will give you a pop-up to run it as administrator. You're going to click yes. Alright. And by the way, it's not my responsibility if they do a virus in the future, because I did not create JJsploit. I'm just doing this as a tutorial. So, anyways, now it's run as administrator. You're going to press enter. Now this is only on PC. I don't know if this works on Mac. I don't think it works on Mac. I'm not sure. So I will join a game. Now if you're having problems with JJsploit, you're going to want to scroll down here. You'll see download VC++. You're going to click on this. You're going to click on here. You're going to open the installation. You're going to click I agree to the terms of service and install. I already have this, so that's why it doesn't let me download it. So if you don't install that, JJsploit is not gonna work, in short. One final thing, get your auto update. If it doesn't, check if the installer auto update. If it didn't, just do the steps I told you. Go to wearedevs.net, JJsploit, and download. And remember the version name, because or check their Discord. They have a Discord. They did this announcement because of me, because they thought I was breaking the rules, but I wasn't. They still kept it there because people started to breaking the rules because they got ideas of me doing DMs, and then yeah, here's the server in short. Do the 1 day key, because JJsploit makes you do a key system. Do the 1 day, click on the 1 day, and what the third option is gonna say, join Discord server. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna make you join. I don't think you can get JJsploit if you don't have Discord or a YouTube account, because you can't bypass it, but then it will ask you again later. Like if you log out of your YouTube account, it will ask you to subscribe. If you just press subscribe and close the tab, it will say it's subscribed, but it will ask you to log in. I think they're gonna patch this after me saying this, if they take attention to my video. Also, press start when you're in a Roblox game. Don't press start if you're not in Roblox. Like, don't do this, or else you're gonna break it. Like, there's no Roblox and it still says start. I don't know why. It's detecting a Roblox thing. If it's detecting a Roblox client and it's not working, you're gonna have to restart your PC. It's normal. Anyways, back to the video. And one note, JJsploit, it only works with the Roblox player. It doesn't work with the Microsoft. So just use Roblox player and make sure that JJsploit is always updated, because all the versions, they're not the best, in short. My god, I really love the UI they made. They fixed it. Just used to be all squares. So, and now, for Windows 10 users, you're gonna have a little bit trouble downloading it, as I said earlier. You're gonna have to click on keep and everything. Like, even earlier when I was recording this video, it kept saying that it was an unwanted app. Like, in the future, if it says that this app is unwanted, all you want to do is go in Windows Defender. You're gonna click on here. You're gonna run it as administrator. Actions. Now, this is a fake positive. It's saying this because it's a game. That's why. You're just gonna click on allow. It had been allowed, and that's good. So now it should fully work. So sorry, let me resume with the showcase. Alright, so next step is B-Tools. Last time I accidentally destroyed the server. In short, this is client-sided, and I'm going to have to rejoin again. Alright guys, we're back. To be honest, it's now more fresh, it's more clean. I prefer it when it's night, to be honest. In my opinion, it less hurts your eyes. The next one, it's gonna be unlock parts. This is like for B-Tools, because normally the base plate would be locked, but it will be unlocked, and in this game it's automatically unlocked, so all the parts are unlocked in this game. So there's this. If the game doesn't allow killing, you can just press this and it kills you for you. Listen, I did not create this executor, so I do not make the names. YouTube, don't demonetize this video, it's not my fault. Anyways, God mode. It kinda works. It used to bug the old chat, but like I said, so it like stops the Roblox animations, you see. For me it works, others doesn't. Anyways, there's no legs. Here, good dog. Alright. TP tool. So it doesn't work. So like it does work, but if you're not using the tool, it won't work. So you just, oh my god, accidentally pressed backspace. So now you're gonna press 1 on your keyboard, or you can just click here, depending if the game has tools. By the way, all of this is universal, so it should work in any game unless they have an anti-cheat like Dahood. So yeah, you just have to click anywhere you want and you TP. This one's like more fixed because it doesn't. Alright, the UNC is fake, but JJsploit's not that bad. If you don't want to get ratted, just use JJsploit. And the reason why people say it's a virus is because 2 years ago, the API is like the thing that makes JJsploit work. It's like the main source that makes it run. So it got hacked, the API, and it actually had malware 2 years ago, but that wasn't the developer's fault. So that's why there's memes on the internet. I think JJsploit is actually a Bitcoin miner, to be honest, but because it takes a lot of resources, but it's pretty neat. On bad PCs it doesn't Bitcoin mine, I think, because on my trash PC it works alright. So I'm gonna show you the no executor. I'm gonna show the SUNC and UNC and nameless admin. JJsploit uses fake UNC, so yeah. This is fake, most of it. That's much lower UNC. UNC is like how much script support it can run. Like in reality, it says they work, but in reality, no, they just scripted it where it shows that it works, but if you try running it, it doesn't work, in short. So, alright. I just execute nameless admin. It's like, I don't recommend you using infinite yield and nameless admin. And you can also drag this too. There's walkfling, the exact same commands, but if you try clicking, it won't work. You just have to type it. I think it's pretty good because like the player doesn't glitch from here. And it doesn't make you, it fixes a lot of glitches. Like, see, it's like a little bit better because with infinite yield you have to walk a lot, but this sometimes it's instant, sometimes it isn't. Like, yeah. There used to be invisible fling, but that got patched. Yeah, they even removed it from here. Why did Infinity Yield just open and close? I don't know what the hell just happened, but guys, thanks for watching. See ya.